Hi, in this video I will show you how you can view WhatsApp delete messages. So if someone sends you a message, they can delete it, and once they delete it on your WhatsApp, it will not appear. So here I'm just going to open up my WhatsApp, and you can see when this person delete the WhatsApp message, it shows this message was deleted, so you can no longer view it. So how do you read the message? How do you read the deleted message? What you want to do is you go and on your phone install this app called NoticeSave or View Deleted Messages. So there are a few apps that you can install. Go to Play Store and look for this app and then install it. So I already have it. You need to open up and then save it. So you can use either one. So either View Deleted Messages or NoticeSave. So that's the one there. Or you can view that one there, so it's your choice. And on this phone here, let's say I'm going to do a test. As you can see, I'm just going to test it out. So there it is. I make a test, and here it is. It's showing 2 messages, and I'm going to delete it. And then I'll tap on this one here, I'll tap delete, and I choose that one as well, and delete for everyone. So that's gone, so it's deleted. And over here you can see the text message has been deleted. So we can go into this app here and tap on chat, and then in WhatsApp, so I'll tap in that username. So you can see we have this one here. So I'm just going to go back down here, and then this one here, WhatsApp, down here, and here it is. You can see it's a test queue, and even after we delete it, we still can read the message. So here it is. So there it is, as you can see. And if I delete it, delete, and here you can see it says the message is deleted, but it still kept a record. And if I go to this one here, you can see it's all being deleted. And that's it. You can see right there. So the other app is View Delete Messages. So on this app here, you can scroll across and then tap on chat, tap on the username, and here this one is easy. It displays everything all in one conversation. So you can see here, test queue, test again, test VV, and this message was deleted, but you still can see all the conversation that is recorded from the text message. So that's how you can read deleted messages on the phone with WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel for more videos.